Ria ma'am, are you here? Where are you? It's class time.
Hello, Bunny. I am Renu. Are you looking for Ria, ma'am?
Yes, where is she? She never misses class.
Ria, mom, is on a vacation, Bunny. But don't worry. While she's away, I'll be conducting your classes.
Oh, you'll teach me. What will we learn?
Of course, Bunny. We'll learn how to use Microsoft Word step by step. You'll discover how to open it, type your ideas, edit your text, and even save and print your documents. By the end, you'll be able to create amazing stories or anything you like, all on your computer.
Yes, Renu ma'am. I can't wait to start typing my stories.
To open Microsoft Word, click the Start button on your desktop. Then, select Word from the list of programs. Once it opens, click Blank Document to begin.
Easy peasy. What's next, ma'am?
This is the Word window. Let me show you its key parts. The title bar shows the document name and program name. The Quick Access toolbar in the top left corner lets you quickly save, undo, or redo. The ribbon has tabs like Home and Insert with groups of commands.
Yes, ma'am. I see the title bar says Document 1.
Exactly. And here's the status bar at the bottom where you can see details like page count and the zoom slider. To create a new document, click the File tab and choose New, then select Blank Document. Now, you can start typing. Remember, no need to press Enter at the end of a line. Word wrap moves to the next line automatically.
That's neat. But how do I start a new paragraph?
Great question. To start a new paragraph, press the Enter key. To select text, click and drag your mouse over it. To add new text, place the cursor where you want to type. And to delete, use the Delete or Backspace key.
I got it. Look, I typed The Adventures of Bunny.
Oh, great job, Bunny. Now, to save your work, click the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. Or press Control button and S. If it's your first time saving, choose a location, type a file name, and click Save.
Sure, Renu ma'am. I will do the same. I'll name my story Bunny's Tales.
Now, to close a document, click the File tab and choose Close.
Renu ma'am, tell me how I can print my document.
Good question, Bunny. To print your document, go to File and choose Print.
Or press Ctrl+P, right?
That's right, Bunny. You're a fast learner.
Thank you, Renu ma'am. Now I can create and save all my stories in Word.
You are welcome, Bunny. So, children, if you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe the channel for more such videos. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Sayonara.